guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you are having a wonderful day wherever you are. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in today for another video. And if you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. And thank you so much to all my wonderful old subscribers right here. You guys are so amazing. You are so supportive and so loving. Thank you for all your support on this channel. I really appreciate you all. So today, as you can see, I'm sitting over here. Today is not a cooking tutorial video. Today is not a hair tutorial video, and today is also not a vlogging day. So we are just going to be sitting here today and discussing some matter, some issues. So guys, today I just wanted to quickly come over here and share this with you. There's this topic that has been ringing in my mind, but I never had the opportunity to make the video. So finally today I have decided to make this video so that I can get this off my shoulders. And after this video, I also want you guys to leave your comments below in the comment section. Let me know what you think, and let me know your opinion about all this whole thing. So what I'm going to be discussing with us today is don't think of what people say or think about you. The only thing you should be concerned of, the only thing that you should be bothered of, is what God thinks of what you are doing. In this life, there is nothing you do that everybody will give you 100% full support on. It's not possible. If you like, do the most thing, like the best thing in the whole world. Not everybody will give you their support, not everybody will like what you do, and not everybody will appreciate you. But then you should always bear in mind that there are people also that love you for whom you are and for what you do. Bear in mind, while I'm talking to you, I'm also talking to myself. Before I started my YouTube channel, I don't want to go into details of how I started this channel or how this channel came about. But when I started my YouTube channel, I started with cooking videos, because that was what I could come up with as of then in the year 2016. That was the only thing I could easily do. Like whenever I'm cooking in the house, I just grab my phone. There's this tiny Nokia Lumia phone that I was using then. So whatever I'm making in the house, I will just pick up my phone and start filming it. And as I'm doing it, it gives me so much joy. It makes me so happy, because when I came newly to this country, I never had anything doing. I was sitting at home all day, all night. Like, I felt so bored that I wanted to be doing anything at all I could just be doing. It doesn't necessarily have to be me going out to work in a company or in an office, but a little thing I could just be doing for myself. I was like, where do I start from? And it has always been my dream to be an actress, but I never had the opportunity to do that, because when I wanted to register for a drama group in my church, that was when my husband started coming for me. So I met with my diocesan pastor. He said, well, since you are going to be leaving Nigeria soon, there's no need going for the drama group. So I had to leave that, and this is where I am today, thinking of what to do. Never knew what to do as of then, but I came across some people on YouTube, my fellow women, my fellow blacks. Some are from Igbo parts of my country. I'm from Nigeria, in case if you don't know. So I felt like, oh, they are really doing well, and this is the type of thing I love to do. So I started filming anything I'm doing I'm cooking in the house. I just film it, edit it, and post it on YouTube. Like I said, I don't want to go into details of how I came about my YouTube channel, but I'm just giving you a sneak peek of it. So as time went on, I started discovering other channels that do daily life activities. Like, what I mean by daily life activities is them showing you the part of their life, like what they do in their daily activities, giving you some ideas. Like, you can learn something from their videos. Like, basically, I have learned from some other YouTubers through their lifestyles. Some of them I add it to my own. Like, I learned some things, I added to the one I already have, and I also twist something the way it will, you know, suit me best. So as I continued watching them, I felt like, oh, this is also very interesting. Like, I could just be sharing my own lifestyle with you guys. By the way, I'm also a Christian. I'm a Christian too, so I feel like, okay, in order to like motivate or inspire my fellow women, Christian women out there, I could just be sharing with you my lifestyle, you know, some tips, the way we do things in my house with my family, with my kids especially. That was when I came up with my channel updates video back then, and I said my channel is no longer going to consist of only cooking. I also want to include hair tutorial videos and also a daily vlogging lifestyle, like giving you a bit of what my life looks like over here, to inspire my fellow women, to give them the motivation to do things in their house without feeling that they are alone on this journey. You are not alone. We are all in this together. So I'm giving you that inspiration to do things. Like, I'm not saying I'm perfect though, but like, I know some of you, most of you have written me so many messages that watching my channel, you have learned this, you have learned that. Some said that through my videos, my morning routine videos, they have learned how to pray with their kids before they leave for school. They have learned how to put their house in order, how to organize their homes basically. So it gives me so much joy, and it encourages me more to put out more videos and more vlogs, especially for you guys here. Now, when I put my first vlog, some people came and they were like, why are you putting your family out here? It's not proper. Remember, your enemies are watching. There are people who might not be happy with your progress in life. There are people who might not be happy with the way you are living happily in your marriage, in your home, and all of that. And I'm like, I know. All in this world, we have enemies, we have friends, like, they are unavoidable. You can't, even if I don't put my family in my videos, they are still there, even if they have anything to do to me, but God forbid, but even if they have anything to do to me, whether I put my family in my videos or not, they will still do it. But I know they will never succeed, because I have a God who is greater than their own God. So I prayed seriously. I prayed, and I told God that I am not putting out my family here or making all these videos to show off or to I don't know how to put it, but I am making this video to impact some things in the lives of my fellow women out there. You know, in this marriage of a thing, there are some times that, most of the times, you feel so bored, you feel so worn out, you feel so overwhelmed, like you feel so sad. But watching videos like this will help you. It will inspire you, it will motivate you as well, to know that you are not in this alone, that there are other women out there who are passing through what you are passing through. So we are making this video, I personally am making this video to inspire my fellow women, to let us know that we are in this together, and with God we can do it. I don't know how some people may see my videos, I don't know what they are thinking, but the thing I have learned so far in the previous years is never ever to think of what people are saying about what I'm doing here on this channel, or what people are thinking of what I'm doing. The only thing that gives me concern is God happy with what I'm doing? Is this a sin before God? That is the only thing that is so important to me. That is the only thing I always think of, not what people may say or think about what I'm doing. I am not here to show off or anything. So we all should stop having these negative thoughts in our minds. I am not saying that you cannot say what you think or say your opinion, but it is left for me to either accept it or not. And that is how it is here. In my videos, I'm not trying to impose something on you. I'm not trying to force you to follow my lifestyle. I'm making these videos for you to watch and grab some things as much as you can from the videos and add to the one you already have. That is it. And some also say I should not put my kids out here. It's not good to expose them to the world. So tell me, if I did not put my kids, how will you then know that it is necessary for you to pray with your kids before they leave for school? And also, if I don't include my family, what better way will I, send my message across? When I say I want to do a Christian lifestyle vlogging, how do I then achieve that? Like, how do I put my message across if I don't include the kids? So please, let's stop having this our Nigerian mentality of what people will say or what evil people will do to us. So my channel is all about our Christian lifestyle, showing you the way we do things in our house in a Christian way. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. I seriously don't want this video to be very long, but I have so many things coming up in my mind as I'm talking right now. So please, what I'm saying is, never ever allow what people are saying about you weigh you down. Never allow what people are thinking about you make you feel less of a human being, or make you feel so intimidated, or feel that you worth nothing. We are all special in whatever we do. One thing I want you to learn from this video, or to get from this video, is whatever you do in life, do it for the glory of God. No matter what you are doing in this life, do it for the glory of God. Don't do it because you want to show off, or you want to prove to people that I have money, I am rich, I am wealthy, I have a sound health. No, the Bible says in the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 10 that whatever we do, we should do it for the glory of God. That is my concern. That is my aim. That is my goal, to do things for the glory of God and not to do it for the glory of man. I'm making these videos to inspire people, and also when people come back from work after having a long day at work, they will just sit down, watch my videos and feel, okay, this is real life. That is why I started vlogging. That is why I started putting my family out here. Nothing more and nothing less. Believe it or not, this is my reason. I'm still saying it. Never let anyone make you feel like you worth nothing. Because sometimes when we are thinking of what people will say, we do stupid things. Yes. And even when you are very sure that this thing, you know how to do it perfectly. But when you remember, oh, how is this person going to see it? What will they say? What will they do? Instead of doing that thing perfectly or the right way, you start doing it like with fear. When you are doing it with fear, you see that you will make so much mistake, and then people will condemn you even more. So whatever you want to do in life, first of all, pray about it and know if this thing is a sin before God. If it is a sin before God, don't even try it. Like in my wash hair routine, my wash day routine, I thought of how to make this video for it not to look as if I'm going against God's will or God's word. I don't know how to explain that video more better if not doing it in the shower room or in the shower tub. So many people out there on YouTube, some of them they wear bra, only bra. Some of them in fact they go half naked, all in the name of washing their hair. So I was like, how do I do it better in order to inspire other YouTubers that you must not be half naked in the bathroom before you can show people how to wash their hair? I decided that I'm going to wear a cloth and a long sleeve for that matter. If you guys notice, I always wear long sleeve. I love long sleeve so much. So I wore black long sleeve to wash my hair in that video, so that you don't feel any negative thoughts while watching that video. Most of these people on YouTube who are making their wash their hair videos, I don't know their motives at all, but I can feel and tell that some of them are doing it for something else, if you know what I mean. Just to attract views, for people to come and admire them, not to watch the hair tutorial anymore, but to come and admire them. But I, having the fear of God in me and knowing that my body is the temple of God, I have to protect it very much. I have to protect it very well. This is what all this is all about. Doing things for the glory of God. Doing things that pleases God and not what pleases men. If what you want to do pleases God, then go ahead and do it. So me putting my family out here, I don't see it, to be honest with you, I don't see it as anything. I do not see it as anything. I am all covered with the love of God. So my enemies cannot do me no harm. If you trust in God and you believe in God and you truly know that God truly exists, there is nothing your enemy can do. Though they will try. But if you give them the opportunity, they will come in and conquer. But never you allow them to conquer. And please always remember, whatever you are doing, do it to the glory of God. So I want you guys to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Let me know your opinion. Leave your comments below. Like, share your thoughts. What do you really think we should do to help each other? Because I'm all about helping. I'm all about helping my fellow YouTubers and also helping my fellow mothers out there. So let me know what you think, and thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much for all the love and support you have shown me so far. Thank you once again. I'll see you guys in my next video.